Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1992 Pontiac Firebird. Very nice little car we have here at Skyway Classics. One of the things I want to point out personally is if you look at the color of the car, it may almost come off as like a blue, faded blue, but in fact it is actually called jade gray. Very confusing but very interesting at the same time. But going into the one we have here, has the hideaway headlights, has the gold Pontiac style rims on it, along with the spoiler in the back. Going into the interior now, you got that nice light gray and dark gray combination. As you can see, the dash is pretty good there. All our gauges are pretty accurate. Oil pressure is very healthy, temperature is pretty good. Reading only 74,000 miles from the odometer. It's an automatic on the floor. Some of the updated things you will see is the Pioneer radio system. You got the nice blowing cold air. You have the power windows, power locks. I don't believe it is power seats, but you do have the nice power brakes, which we can demonstrate for you right now. Very nice little car and a healthy pickup. But just for now, we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.